Good afternoon and welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. I'm Beth, and today I decided to open Google Earth and paint a scene out of Seville, Spain. I wish I knew the street, but I could not locate the information on the photo, so it's just somewhere in Seville. Here is my traced sketch of the scene. Of course, I did not include all the details. It's necessary to simplify the pictures sometimes to get what you want. For me, that means eliminating a lot of detail. Next, using graphite paper, I trace the picture onto the watercolor paper. Now, this paper is not ideal for tracing since it's a rough watercolor cotton paper, but all I really need is a faint tracing, so it should be fine. I'm using a number 12 Princeton Neptune round brush so I can keep it nice and loose. The larger brush helps me keep it loose and helps keep me from getting too detailed. And I taped off that top part of the paper because I wanted a more panoramic scene as they give you in Google Maps. So I'll bring that big tree on the right up beyond the tape just for interest. Let's take a quick look at the photo again, and then I'll start on some details. I'm not particularly orderly about what I'm painting first. I try as I go along to be a little bit more organized, but I'm not making any promises here. I paint kind of what grabs my attention next. I do hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, I hope that you'll give me a quick thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Okay, one last look at the photo. And I've switched to my Tombow marker. It is a permanent marker, so it's not going to bleed if I decide to paint more, and it'll work just fine. The rough paper is a little bit hard on the tips of some markers, but this one seems to be holding up just fine. What I'm doing here is just going back and forth between the photo and my painting, trying to see the most essential marks that I should make. Now, not all of them need to be drawn because your eye's going to fill in what's not there, but you don't want it to look exactly like a photograph either. At least I don't. I want it to look like a painting. So choosing what to leave in and what to leave out is a skill I hope to hone as time goes on. And I really hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll help me out with a quick thumbs up, and if you haven't already, by pushing that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day and happy painting.